Find the product of the factors which are multiples of 12. Now see, we did the same question for some factors which are multiples of 12. Same thing. Method 2 we will apply. Factors which are multiples of 12 is nothing but 12k. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 into what is 360? 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. It is 2 power 1, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. How many factors are there for the factors which are multiples of 30? Factors which are multiples of 30. Factors which are multiples of 30. How many are there? 2 into 2 into 2. Total 8. Sorry, factors which are multiples of 12. 12, it is 8. So, what are that factors? 12a1, 12a2 and so on up to 12a8. We have to do product. 12, 12, 12 multiplied 8 times is 12 power 8 into a1, a2 till a8. This is the product of the factors for this number. So, product of the factors is number power number of factors by 2. 8 by 2. I hope the logic is clear. Factors which are multiples of 12. Factors which are multiples of 12 is 12k. 12 is 2 square into 3. Remaining is 2 power 1, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. What are the factors which are multiples of 12? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 cases. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 2 cases. 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 2 cases. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Total 8 cases I will get. 12a1, 12a2 and so on up to 12a8. 12, 12, 12 multiplied 8 times is 12 power 8 into a1, a2 till a8. These are the product of the factors of this number. Product of the factors is number power number of factors by 2. 2 into 3 into 5 power 8 by 2. I hope the logic is clear. Once we do one more question, it will be much more clear to you. Not a single doubt, you will get it in my class. Factors which are multiples of 12. Idea clear? Next one. Clear, crystal clear idea? What we'll do is, we will do one more problem. Factors which are multiples of, instead of 12, we will do 30. So that it will be clear to you. Find the product of the factors which are multiples of 30. Factors which are multiples of 30 is nothing but 30k. 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Into remaining is 2 square, remaining is 3 power 1. 3 into 2 is 6. Total 30a1, 30a2 till 30a6. Product 30, 30, 30 multiplied 6 times, 30 power 6 into a1, a2 and so on up to a6. This is the product of the factors for this number. 30 power 6 into 2 square into 3 power 1. 3 into 2, 6 by 2. 30 power 6 into 12 power 3. Logic clear? Idea clear? Factors which are multiples of 30 is 30k. 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Remaining is 2 square into 3 power 1. Total how many factors? 3 into 2, 6. Total there are 6 factors. 30a1, 30a2 and so on 30a6. Multiply 30 power 6 into a1, a2 till a6. Product of the factors for this number. Number power number of factors by 2. 2 square into 3 power 1 power 3 into 2. 6 by 2. I hope it is clear, right? Product of the factors which we did. Product of the factors which are multiples of k, we did it. Next one. Product of the factors which are not multiples of k. Concept. Suppose if I take 12. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. If I do a product of the factors 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. 6 is nothing but a product of the factors which are multiples of 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. Product of the factors which are not multiples of 6. Similarly, if it is 1 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 6 into 12, product of the factors which are multiples of 3, product of the factors which are not multiples of 3. Extremely important concept. Pn is nothing but pk into pk bar. Please write down. Sum we got Sn is sk plus sk bar, but it is pk. Pk is pk into pk bar. Pn is nothing but pk into pk bar. Product of the factors for a number is nothing but pk into pk bar. Pk into pk bar. Please write down this. Pn is nothing but pk into pk bar. Pn is nothing but pk into pk bar, because it is a product, and whenever negation is there, it is nothing but Pn equivalent to pk into pk bar. I hope the idea is clear. Now we will solve the question. Pn is pk into pk bar. First we will write the concept. Product of the factors for the given number is pk into pk bar. Question is product of the factors which are not multiples of 12, which is nothing but product of the factors divided by the product of the factors which are multiples of 12. Pn. Pn is nothing but 10th question. 10th question answer. P12 is nothing but 11th question answer. Finish. I hope the idea is clear. Pn is nothing but pk into pk bar. Pn is nothing but pk into pk bar. Pn into pk bar. Pn into pk bar. Idea clear? 12th one. Pn into pk bar. Pn into pk bar.